Hi guys, welcome back. In the last video, we talked about if-else statements and how do they help us to make decisions in Java. In this video, we end up and learning something even cleaner, and it's the concept of switch statements. So let's jump right in. So a switch statement lets you test one variable against multiple possible values. Instead of writing a bunch of if-else ifs, it makes your code more readable and faster to navigate. To show you the mechanics and the syntax of switch, I prepared you an example. In the beginning, I initialized and declared an integer value with 5. And in the following, I used the keyword switch parenthesis, and I put the variable inside this parenthesis and then curly brackets, which are basically connected or nests the cases here. So basically, we are putting the number here down, and the switch does check every case one by one. Like if this case 1 does not match, which is not the case because it's 5, then it goes to the next one. And then if this does not match, then it goes to the next one, and so on until we get over here. And if the switch does compare this, then this code gets basically executed. So let's do that. And the output is Friday, right? Because we are ended here, check whether the condition is matching, which is obviously the case, and execute that system out print line. And then, very important, we have to break the switch, otherwise it will go through and execute the next case and the next case and so on. So it goes from top to down. And also what is sometimes useful is to use the default implementation. That's basically indicating that if any case does not match, then execute, at least by default, this part of the code. You can do that, for example, to handle any errors or something in that corner. So as a demonstration, let's say the day number is 8, and if we execute that, you will see that the output here is invalid day number. What you can do is also that you can stack cases together if they share the same action, like here. So if the plan basically is either A or B, then this part of the code will be executed. So let's do that to give you a feeling about that. Voila, since plan B matches that case, this code is being executed. So if we switch that to A, the same code will be executed as well. So I guess you get the idea. Let me show you another example. Newer versions of Java support also this arrow style switch expression right here. And sometimes it's shorter, safer, and can return a value directly. So no break keyword in between somewhere here is needed at all. So if we execute that, you will see that the output is image, since our variable is named image/png. And you can also stack cases here as well as in the previous example. Let me give you also another good example which might help you one day. You can also use curly braces in a switch expression like I did here. So for the case 8, I am executing a bit more code than in case 10 and 9, and also in case 7, because basically 7 returns C, or for case 10 and 9, A directly. But for the case 8, we are executing a bit more code, like printing out good job and then the value B, which shall be returned like in case 10 and 9 and 7, or by default the D and lower if it's below 7. So basically yield is the return keyword of a switch expression. It returns the value in the end of that case, and the return value is saved to that variable grade, which we are basically using it in the line 19. And voila, we got first our string output, which is good job. We return the value B back and save it to the grades. And in the line 19 below here, we are printing out the grade B. So I guess you get the idea. So summarized, firstly, try it by yourself. Don't forget to always include a default case. Don't mix colon and arrow syntax in one switch, and use switch for comparing the same value, not for range checks. So that's still if-else territory, right? And I hope you learned something. I'm happy that you watched the whole video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. That helps me. And stay healthy and goodbye.